spirituality is an enforced concept, a diabolic outcome of patriarchal conspiracy. It's time we realize that feminism is not about making women strong, because women are already strong. It's about changing the way the world perceives what this strength is. Namaskara. I'm Akka Mahadevi, an enduring icon in Kannada literature and a devotee of Lord Shiva. I rebelled against worldly constrictions and prescribed gender roles. I also express my radical views on women's rights, Hindu ritualism, caste, etc. I offer testimony to the spiritual struggles faced by a female mystic in a patriarchal society.
Investing in girls and women's education can transform and save lives, the lives of girls, women, and their families and communities. It is an effective way for bringing about positive change in the world for everyone. I, Manokji Kursetji, am a social reformer who started the first English school for Indian girls as a major proponent of women's education. Namaste.
Widows have been disadvantaged in many cases. While coping with accepting the death of her husband, she is forced to face the brunt of a society for a circumstance that's not her fault. I am Behramji Malabari and I am a social reformer, best known for my ardent advocacy for the protection of women's rights and for my activities against child marriage and widow discrimination.
Child marriage ends childhood. It negatively influences children's rights to education, health, and protection. These consequences impact not just the girl directly, but also her family and community. I am Dr. Rukma Bai, India's first woman practicing doctor. I was a child bride and at a time when Indian women hardly had any rights to speak of. I contested my husband's claim to conjugal rights in a court case that led to the passage of the Age of Consent Act in 1891.
We work to empower rural women with opportunities for digital literacy, skill development, nutrition, health, and employment. I'm Chetna Sinha and I provide financial aid to rural women, making them truly empowered.
Women in Kozhikode, Kerala were not even given basic facilities like using the washroom or even having a place to sit. That is when me and my women's committee went to the shopkeeper stating our problems. Why aren't we given these basic rights? And you know what his reply was? Said that drink less water, you will urinate less. Now what to do? We had to go by the law. So we formed the Kerala Shops and Establishment Committee Act, and after 8 years of hard work, this law had passed. Now, me, Viji Penkutu, I am 50 years old and I have made this successful. Thank you.
Social media can be used to make a positive impact on the lives of people. If one wants to help someone and is willing to spend the time, the easiest thing to do is to start a Facebook support group. I am Adhinika Prakash, the founder of Breastfeeding Support for Indian Mothers, BSIM Facebook group, which now has over 82,000 members from all over the world.
2 months ago, our country was reverberating with the Me Too movement. I am Sandhya Menon, an activist and freelance journalist who opened up about senior journalists who I accused of physically and verbally abusing me.
Ritu Chakra is a youth-run organization working to achieve menstrual equity and dignity through action, awareness and advocacy. I am Sanjana Dikshit and I am the founder and executive director of Ritu Chakra.
Tied down by Sadhyo Purani patriarchy. Lead the man's world with passion and power that you inherit from yourself right from the beginning. I am Pia Jaman Mehta and I am the founder of Ovumalia, an organization and podcast aimed at raising awareness about global issues through a feminist lens. At Ogumanya, I connect with people to gather their thoughts and views about feminism and raise awareness regarding the same. So far, Mr. Tushar Tyagi, who was the assistant director of the movie Tishum, and Nikhil Taneja, who is the CEO of a youth media company called Yuva, have shared their perspectives about sexism in their respective industries on my podcast.
Prejudice mindset acts as a major stumbling block when it comes to women empowerment. In many parts of the world, women themselves do not have faith in their capabilities due to lack of encouragement, opportunities, etc. Political leaders influence the thoughts and beliefs of a wide section of society, and any derogatory comments made by them regarding the empowerment of women acts as a negative influence. When provided with the same opportunities as men, women have excelled in various fields and lead many global organizations such as AMD, YouTube, etc.